In this video, we'll show you how to use the Chalk Gold Lesson Search feature to find specific lesson content in your semesters and subjects in Planboard. You can access the lesson search from any planner view in Planboard by clicking the magnifying glass icon. Select the semester to search through, and you can enter search terms in the bar at the top of the window to display a range of results. You can click on a result to view its contents, including any attachments or curriculum standards. From here, you have options to edit the selected lesson, share it directly from the lesson search, or import its contents into other lesson dates. You can use filters in the left panel to narrow your search results to chosen subjects or units. You can even toggle to only display results with attachments, which is great for finding specific teaching materials. Use the Chalk Gold Lesson Search feature to find exactly what you're looking for and help organize your content in Planboard.